Hello everyone and good morning. I'm here with the dog. Hello Vanessa. Oh, nope, okay, she's fucking off. So I'm going to be just doing a couple of jobs on the farm this morning. Thought I might take you along with me. Here we've got some of the wean calves. You're a Hereford, aren't you? Yes. And you're an Angus. You are, you're the nosy one, aren't you? Yes, you are. The rest are all dairies in here. Them two beefies we kept back just because they weren't doing so well and we had to jab them. So if that ever tends to happen, we just keep them because you don't want to be selling an animal that's not 100%. No. Doing a bit of tanking. We'll grab the fork and go and bed down the calves. Hey, go on then. I'm just going to unwrap this bale and bed these two pens. Will's kindly put it in play. Oh, he's put it too close to there. So I can't walk around it to unwrap it. Net is off. So I'm just going to chuck a load in there and a load in there. In all fairness, they're not actually that bad. The only bits that get wet are really where they stand at the front and they sleep at the back, so it's not an issue. Same over there. But I just like to keep them topped up. You happy now? Me? So now I've bedded the bottom two pens, I'm going to grab the wheelbarrow so I can take some straw into the pen next door. I'm laughing to myself now because I just realised that rhymed. So you can see I'm just filling it up nice and full and then I'll take it next door. Here I am. Lovely stuff. Come back, babies. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Hello. Go on then. Go on, Spring. Go out there, baby. Having a sleep. Hey, you're snoozing. Very cute. Yes, you are. Hello. Cute babies. So now I'm just going to get some hay, well, haylage, out of the bins where the dry cows are. Put it in the wheelbarrow just for the calves. That'll do. We're happy girls. Lovely. So what I'll do now is grab a handful, top herbies up. Now this is quite wet stuff, this, but they will still eat it. And they love a bit of silage. Look, see, they're all munching it straight away. So that's their one. Take the rest into this pen. where they're all sleeping. I'll just fill it up like this. Fluff it up a bit for them. I always like to fluff it up. Get the straddly bits. There we go. Hey, Spring. She's so cute. I honestly love that little calf. She's adorable. So yeah, everything's bedded now. We've all got plenty of hay, and they've got the corn. So now I'm sweating. I've got to do a really fun job. Basically, all of this rubbish here all need to go into the JCB bucket. It's there. It's a stinky job, but it needs doing. This is where the fun bit starts. I have to try and get it in the trailer. Are you coming, Ness? Right, that's not where you're meant to be, I'll be honest. Do you want to get down? You little shit. Covered in shit. Now I have to try and tip this onto the trailer. But the bucket don't reach the trailer, so you have to try and put the bucket up as high as you can and just climb on the trailer and chuck it in. It's not the easiest thing to do. So now I'm just going to climb up onto the trailer, which is not the easiest thing to do, and chuck everything out the bucket into the trailer. And that's it. So there you go. That's the end of the video. If anything else happens, I'll chuck it in. But yeah, that's me doing some yard jobs. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. And follow along my life. Just doing odd bits and bobs on the farm. See you in the next one.